Tech transfer inefficiency, where CMC timelines bleed cost. Think tech transfer gets expensive when a validation batch fails? It usually starts much earlier. In process knowledge handoff in manual data handling, in missing rationale behind each process decision. In CMC, tech transfer is where development and process knowledge either hold together or start leaking time and cost. A single tech transfer can take 18 to 30 months and cost more than $5 million before extra validation costs are added. Now add duplicate work, manual re-entry, misaligned documentation, and weak traceability. That is where timelines start to bleed. When QBD knowledge lives in static files, teams cannot easily transfer or reuse process understanding across stages or sites. But when that knowledge is captured and structured digitally, it becomes searchable, traceable, and easier to transfer. The shift is simple. Stop treating tech transfer like document exchange and start treating it like a knowledge flow. See how iCMC helps teams bring process design, risk management, and tech transfer into one structured digital environment. Explore it at ValGenesis.com.